The ALeRCE Explorer web interface is the main tool to explore the astronomical objects recovered from the CTF alert stream. Its main page consists of two sections, the Search and Results sections. In the Search section is where you can filter objects by selecting their unique identifier or by selecting different combinations of classifier, class probability, number of detections, and sky coordinates. The Results section is where the results of the filtered objects are shown, sorted by classification probability or other variables. Clicking on an individual object will take you to the Object View page. The Object View page is divided in two tabs, the General Information and the Cross-Matched tabs. In the General Information tab, you can see some basic statistics about the object, generate a finding chart, query different catalogs at the position of the object, or quickly see basic TNS information about the object. You can also see the object's light curve, including detections and non-detections. You can select to plot the raw difference light curve, the correct apparent magnitude, or a folded version of the correct apparent magnitude using the best fitting period. In addition, you can download the light curve in a CSV file. By clicking one of the points in the light curve, you can see the stamp associated to that epoch as well as the full Avro packet information. For sources with available classifications, you can see the classification probabilities of the stamp and light curve classifiers. Finally, in the Cross-Matches tab, you can see all the cross-matches contained in the cast HTM set of catalogs.